Hey, all right, so I just got my packaging. I'm excited. This is my Empire Sniper. I bought it on TrademyGun for $275. So I'm hoping it's good. It's not beat up or nothing. The pictures look real good online, so let's see. Sometimes you get hesitating to buy stuff used online, but I just really didn't have the money to buy a brand new one. So let's go see. Sit. So this is the Empire Sniper. It came with the original box too. Use Empire Sniper pump. It's supposed to have everything in it too. For TrademyGun. 2-day delivery, so that wasn't bad at all. That was good. Free shipping. So you got here fast too. Alright, let's see. It's supposed to have everything. It's supposed to come with everything. Came with the CD. I think the book this is even brand new. Looks like I never touched this. A quick start. The form looks good. Okay. Let's see what is. Okay. Allen keys, brand new. Barrel plug. Let me see. Wow, no scratches at all on it. It's on safety. See? Oops. The automatic I'm having trouble with. Yeah, no scratches at all. This thing looks brand new. Wow, this is crazy. Look how brand new this thing looks. For $275. Looks like it never been used. All right, put that to the side. It comes with some O-rings, D10s. The lube it came with. So, and this is the barrel kit. No scratches at all. Oh yeah, this is nice. 6A5 barrel back. This thing's like brand new. I don't think they're gonna use this gun. It has the O-ring on them. This is the other one. I think it's supposed to hold 6. Wow, this is crazy. see. Yeah. Oh man, this pen is nice, yeah. Oh yeah, look. Yo, I'm still brand new, yo. For $275. Oh my god, yeah. I'm so happy I got it. I was hesitating. I seen one on eBay, and I put a place to not place the bid, but you could put an offer in. I put $275, and it ain't look as good as this, and I got out of it. Lucky I got out of it and went to trade my guns, and I'm happy I did, man. This thing is oh my god, love this thing. Whoa, this thing is nice. Well, that's it for my unboxing. Thanks, guys. Go check out TrademyGun. I mean, this is real good, man. They got, oh man, I'm so happy with this. All right, guys, until next time. See ya. All right, guys, so I went and changed the, see, from section design, from Starburst, I think it's called. So let's just air it up. This has the ball. See, I don't have too much air in there, so maybe get like 3-4 shots out of it. Let's turn it down. Pull it. Put it away. There we go. It's nice and tight on. Let's see how the pump shoots. I mean, the gun shoots real good with the this is not showing me my stuff. Okay, it shoots real good. I'm almost out of air. Yeah, the balls are dropping already. But this is my first time shooting it, and this thing shoots real good. So I just want to switch barrels up, because this has a freak insert. It's 867. So just want to try that out. I only have a little bit more air. So this thing is on 200, maybe just tiny little over 200, and that's it. But let's try this new barrel. I mean, it sounds the same, but I mean, this barrel is freaking nice. This barrel, this is a 2-piece barrel. I put the what it is in the bottom so you guys can see it. But this takes freak inserts or GOG inserts too. It's real nice. I love this gun, y'all. I can't wait to go play. Are they both the same size? Yep. No, actually the Empire is maybe an inch taller. That's my let me pause it. What's this? Okay.